We divide 706 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down this 0 and it is 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down the 6 and 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 706 divided by 5 is 141 decimal 2.